Hey guys, so I hope that this wind noise isn't crazy, but so in the spirit of getting out there and getting some footage and stuff like that, that's what I'm gonna do right now because it's like super kind of crazy windy right now, and I am in Nebraska helping a friend of mine, so you got to take advantage of where you are when you're there. So I don't know, I might have to like mute this, but check out this like. I put out some, it's Veterans Day, so I put out some American flags in the yard, so check those out. It's not crazy right now, but we're supposed to have like 50-mile-an-hour gusts of wind today, so I'm gonna just walk down the street and see if I can get some cool stuff for just basically BTS behind the scenes footage. Also, B-roll. Basically gonna, pardon the car. Basically gonna see if we can get some B-roll and whatnot for the scary campfire stories. So yeah, anyway, crazy. It's kind of windy right now. So cool, let's go for a walk. I have decided in all of my wind wisdom to go get my hat because the hair in the face thing with the wind is untenable. It's not gonna work. Let's fix that. Okay, so what I have right now is I have my hat on and I was gonna go walk the other way, but God, hold on. Is that better? I don't know. I hope that works for the sound, but it's kind of crazy windy. But right now, I'm going on a walk with dogs. I'm going to introduce you to these dogs right now. So, Trooper, that's Trooper, and this is Chance, and we are about to go on a walk. So, that's what's going on with this. So, okay, by the way, so where am I? When you say, I'm helping a friend out. So, my friend Andrea Lee and her husband, Shadow, need some help. He's a veteran, Vietnam veteran, dealing with some health issues. So I come out here every once in a while and kind of help them with stuff and things that they cannot do themselves. So, and right now, one of those things is taking these awesome dogs for a walk. So, what do you think about that, guys? I think that was a resounding like, hey man, that's freaking cool. Yes, we are glad that we are all going for a walk right now. So, continuing. See you in a minute. This is dog walking video game style. I think maybe we can make a video game about walking dogs, and that'd be kind of fun, huh? Sorry about the wind noise, guys. I know I got to get one of those, like, puffy microphone things. And I will. Just, give me a second. All right, here we go. All right, this is a dumb joke alert. So what do you get? What do you get when you have two labs and you're going on a walk? What do you end up with? You end up with a... Wait for the wind! Wait for the wind. Okay, hold the roll. Hold the roll, people. Wait a minute. What do you end up with? You end up with a labradoodie. I told you it was gonna be bad. So, I know they're having some issues with container ships and whatnot. I think I have found a couple of the containers. They're right here. There's really no issue, at the ports. They're stashing all these container program ships, shipping container, truck backs, cube things that go on the back of trucks that haul goods. They're storing them all in Nebraska. Look at them. Oh yeah, I can solve all the problems. All we gotta do is take these two shipping containers, put some wheels on them. Right now they don't have wheels. We'll put some wheels on them, and then put some stuff in them and drive it around and drop things off into people's places that ordered the stuff. Shipping solved. Doggy cam. So over here on my left, there's a bunch of like little houses, like little small houses. They've been here for a long time. Nobody lives in them and whatnot. And I did get a bunch of like footage for my channels. Check that out. It's like just a bunch of cool old stuff, you know, posted private property. Don't go in there. I did have permission to go and get some footage back there. So I didn't ask today, so we're not going to go on this video over there. But it's pretty cool, you know, just like the old stuff, you know, that's old stuff in America. Like check this truck out. I mean, there's a story in that truck, you know? Whose truck was that? How long did they have it? When did they give it away? You know? We just don't know. But I can make up a lot of stuff. Look at all these old cars. Pretty wild, huh? An old vacuum sweeper, vacuumized sweeper. I guess that's maybe what used to be a street cleaner. They used to call street cleaners vacuumized sweepers. I mean, you know, they just have like clever names for all kinds of stuff now. So vacuumized sweeper. They used to call cars buggies. I'm sure they'll call cars spaceships coming into the future. We just don't know. I'm sure I have like that funny like wing hair thing on the side of my hat, don't I? I can't see because all I can see is the camera, but I can feel it. I'm sure it's like sticking out. It's like trying to flag down the space station or something. All right, let's continue. It's funny, I think that guy, I don't know if you can see him behind me, but that guy in the truck, I waved at a guy in a truck, and I think that he like stopped to see what I'm doing. So, interesting, huh? You gotta look out, man. Those crazy kids these days. Okay, no dogs. Continuing the journey. Can you hear me now? Always say, be ready to be blown over when you're in the wind. So, you know, just like a cat, just be ready for it. So anyway, wait for the car. So, living in Los Angeles, something that you basically don't see is these things right over here. And that, my friends, is a snowplow on a personal vehicle. So, pretty cool, you know? It's like I'm just gonna put a snowplow because like it's gonna snow, and then how are you gonna get to 7-Eleven? So circling back to the shipping container issue that we talked about and how to solve it in North Platte, Nebraska, by just coming and picking up those 2 truck trailers, then we'll have no more issues. But serious business. Did you know that North Platte is the biggest rail line junction in America? Like, this is a true story. So it's ginormous. Just Google North Platte rail yard and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I can tell you this, that like most people on this particular street anyway have trailers, and the trailers either carry horses or they carry stuff, you know. like that trailer over there, you know, it's like, it seems like it's those trailers over there. It's like a prerequisite that you're supposed to have a trailer. So I experienced this in Mandeville as well. So everyone seemed to have one. You know, I was shopping for our trailer in Mandeville as well. I didn't know what I was going to carry with it, but apparently you just have to have one. So you can put tractors in them, you can put lawnmowers in them, you can put lumber in them, you can put hay in them. I mean, if you have an ice cream shop, you can put, you know, boxes of ice cream cones in them. I don't know, but I was gonna get one. I promise. I was. So I know that I try to keep things pretty serious on my channel. So I have a question. Why do cows win all the awards? Because they are outstanding in their field. Came from Kyle's film garage, stayed for the jokes. So normally this would be, you know, colorful and green and whatnot. And these bushes over here, these are sunflowers. So imagine that this little plant right here is yellow and bright and beautiful, but it's not springtime anymore. So it just kind of looks like a bush. Alright, so I know that you can probably hear the trees rustling and whatnot, the wind in the leaves, and because that's the sound that it makes that you can hear. So I was hoping that, you know, we would maybe catch one of those gusts, you know, that would blow me over while, you know, I was on camera. But no, it doesn't seem like that's happening. So anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed this walk in North Platte, Nebraska. Hey guys, click like, subscribe on the channel. There's lots of awesomeness and ridiculousness and film stuff coming. So stay tuned. Click like, subscribe. Please join the Patreon. I have links for all that in the description below. And everything helps because independent film is actually what this channel is all about. So let's keep on going. Let's keep making movies. So I'm just a guy. I'm just a dude. I'm just a dude making movies. So